We look forward to use this platform to become an annual platform that encourages dialogue and connectivity and creating new ventures and new opportunities for all of us.
In getting us all together and giving me this opportunity to be in this august group of great leaders in education and innovation.
The challenge today is business transformation now is a must.
So if we're talking about access to education, access to work opportunities, access to healthcare, are these fundamental rights? Yes, the answer is yes.
We have worked on researches examining new legal challenges related to new trends in innovation.
Whatever happens, we are here to help you to better understand this world that is going crazy mad.
Sharjah, he's perfectly also positioned to become some kind of test bed for all these new future of mobility solutions.
Smart city implementation is more the next evolutionary step to where we're going as a society.
Yeah, I think as children we are really curious explorers, so it's an exciting time for children and adults to be alive as we expand our horizons.
If innovation can change a country like Israel, then innovation can create the bridges to our own region and connect between our countries.
The fact that more than 416 million Africans still live in extreme poverty is an inexcusable statistic.
We have introduced a policy paper that deals with electronic teaching and the future of higher education in the country.
We believe in access to space data that is vital to urban development, that is vital to better understanding the changes that are occurring to our planet, and that are vital to the continuous development efforts that we see across the board, be it in agriculture, to planning our water systems, to planning our roads and infrastructure, to ensuring our safety and security.
So by pushing the investors and pushing the financial institutions to develop impact-based loans or impact-based products, financial products, we can accelerate the uptake of the financing towards the SDGs, and that's the only way we can achieve it.
The opportunity to create good collaboration and good construction, collective construction with Sasha is opportunity to Brazil too.
This summit, it was big success, and I hope that we will take all the deliverables from the discussions and execute them into reality. Thank you.